Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Out My Name on guitar. We'll start by setting up your instrument. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. Then, place a capo on the 6th fret. This simple step makes the two main chords much easier to play, allowing you to focus on rhythm and transitions. It's a fantastic song for new guitarists to learn. Now let's dive into the core of the song, just 2 chords. With your capo on the 6th fret, you'll primarily use D minor and a minor shapes. These are fundamental chords for many songs. Focus on clean finger placement for each, ensuring every string rings out clearly. Smooth transitions between D minor and a minor are key to mastering this tune. The strumming pattern for Call Out My Name is quite straightforward, fitting a 6/8 time signature. Try a pattern of down, down, up, down, up, down. Pay special attention to accenting the very first downstroke and the final downstroke in the pattern. This creates the signature rhythmic feel of the song. Practice this rhythm consistently with both chords. To add more flair, you can include a simple picking pattern before each chord. For the D minor, try a walk-up. Open a string, then 3rd fret on the A string, followed by the 2nd fret on the D string, leading into your D minor chord. A similar walk-down can precede the A minor. This adds a nice melodic touch to the overall arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.